Hi, George here, and I'll be showing you how to remove a background in Canva. We'll start with this picture on the left-hand side, remove the background right here, and then finish up by adding in a new background, as you see over here on the right-hand side. Okay, so let's get this out of the way. We'll start off here at the home page of Canva. I'll be showing you what I consider the best way to do this, and I'll also show you some alternatives that you can try as well. The first thing you need to do is to upload a photo. I already have some uploaded here, but if you go over to upload, you can upload right from here. Look at my uploads, and I'll take that one right there. There we go. Now, if you have Canva Pro, that gives you access to additional tools. One of those is a great background removal tool. It also gives you access to the AI tools and also access to AI tools over in Affinity by Canva. So if you have that program, the Canva Pro gives you those AI tools. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up in Open Editor right here. There we go. And right at the top here, we have Background Remover. That's a little crown right there. That means that this is limited to people who have the Pro subscription. Let's just click on this. It runs very fast, as you see, and does a great job. Even caught some real fine wispy hairs up in here that we don't need. Let's just get this panel out of the way. There we are. Now I'm going to zoom in on this, and we can take these out with just the regular eraser right here. And I use a pixel eraser. That's all we need. And my brush size is way too large for this, as you can see. Let's bring the brush size way down to about 5. That should do a good job. Let's bring our size up again, and I'll just erase this little bit out. Real easy fix, real easy cleanup. Okay, close the pixel eraser down. Let's zoom back out again. So there's the background removed. Now the white is just the default background in Canva. This actually has a transparent background, which means that we can put another picture in behind this. So I'll go back over to my uploads folder, and I have a picture right here. I'll use this, and let's resize this. There we go. Put it up like that, full size. Bring it over here about like that. Looks pretty good. I now need this to go in behind the girl. That's easy enough. Right click and layer. Let's just send backward, and there we go. And notice what a real nice job that background eraser did around the hair. There's no halo happening in here, anything like that. Did a real good job in behind the hairs in here. Very, very good background removal tool. Now, if you don't want to use the paid tool, there are a couple of other options. They're kind of paid in that you have a temporary free trial. And for that, come down here where it says apps and go up to search Canva apps and then do a search for background. And there's quite a few things in here. I tried a few of these. Background eraser, not so good. This left a big halo. Simply choose a file and then use a background removal tool right there. Just back out of that one. There's replace background right here. And this did a fairly good job. Again, you choose a file. Now, all of these give you a limited number of background removal. If you like it, you can then subscribe to or purchase more use credits to remove backgrounds from more images. So these really do have a cost to them. They're not purely free. So you can give these a try. There are quite a few of these, as you can see in here. Give them a try. See if you like them better than this one. These are all based on credits where you pay a certain amount and get a certain number of credits. Consider each credit as one background removal. And you can compare costs that way. It depends upon your needs. Personally, I think that the magic background eraser that's included in Canva Pro is worth the cost of admission. If you want to have this out with a transparent background, click on Share up here, and you want to download. Make sure that you're downloading to a PNG. This is what saves that transparent background for you. Right down here we have transparent background. Let's turn that one on. Again, notice the crown here. You can only do this if you have the Canva Pro. If you want to see the rest of the videos on how to remove backgrounds using several different programs, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. I appreciate that. And I'll see you next time.